Hello everyone, in front of me is Huawei Nova 12 SE and let me show you how to change a wallpaper. First open the settings, then find and select home screen and style, click on wallpaper and now choose the picture that you want to cover your screen with. If you want to explore a bit more, just tap on more wallpapers and just choose something that you like from this album, but I would like to apply one from Scenic Wallpapers, for example this one, then click on apply and finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen or both of them. And I want to go with third option. Just give it a couple of seconds to apply, and as you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both home and lock screen of your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.